Hey everybody! Today on Crapshoot Creations, we're going to take this tie-dye shirt and make it into a hobo bag or a beach bag with some fringes on it. All you're going to need is a tie-dye shirt or any shirt you got, a ruler, a pair of scissors, and a piece of chalk. So let's get on with it. Took the shirt, folded it in half at the armpits all the way down. It's got the design, right here, the peace sign. So I want to leave that on the bag. So what then I actually did was come down, I cut off the seam off of here, off the bottom. Save that for something else. Came with the ruler over here and I measured 6 inches up. Put a line with the chalk. You're done with that. Then basically what you're going to do is start down here. What I do is go about 1/4 inch. I mean, you can measure it out, but you don't have to be perfect about it. It's art. It's your craft. Handcraft it. You just want to go down here like that. Stop at that line. Go to the next one. 1/4 inch or so. Keep on going all the way down. By folding in the shirt in half, it actually makes it easier to cut it. You got more of a material to cut. What you do is cut it all the way down here. So we got our shirt cut all the way down at the bottom, 1/4 inch or so. Like I said, you don't have to be perfect. I'm going to open it up. Now if you wanted to keep it a t-shirt, you'd have to separate the top and the bottom. What I mean by separating is these right here, so you can still get in the shirt. But what we're actually going to do is take these and pull these down. Some people like to pull them down all at one time. I like to do it one at a time. Now the first one is on the end, so you just want to tie a basic double knot. What you're going to do stretch these out, split them apart to a double knot. 1 knot, 2 knots. Set it out your way. Go to the next one. Pull it, stretch it out. When you pull it out, what it does is actually strengthens up your cotton. Tie this up. 1 tie. 2 ties. Once again, it's going to take you a while to do it. Just take your time. Don't worry about it. You pull it. You'll see exactly what I mean when you pull that. How it gives it that strength. Double tie. You can see it moving along right now. So what we want to do is do the whole thing. So here we go. Okay, so we went all the way across, tied them up. You can see the beginning of the bag taking form. You can see under here, there'd be little holes. It's good for the beach. You want to put a blanket in there that has sand that'll come out, or some t-shirt, your bikini, whatever you got. But what we usually do at Crapshoot is we'll actually sew a seam line right down in here, seal it up. Because you don't want customers coming back, oh, I put my keys in the bag and I lost it, or I lost $1 million trillion. What are you going to do about it? So anyway, here's the fringe part. It's nice. You could double tie it down here, make little knots down here if you wanted to. But the next thing we're going to do is actually take it, and I do is just flip it over, and we're going to cut this collar off with the t-shirt. This was an extra large shirt. We sell this for $10 as a shirt. But once we get done for that, we could probably boost it up to $15 bag, $18 bag. So basically, we're just going to cut this collar off right here. Turn it around this way. You can see. I'm just going to cut right along here. Don't worry about it. It's a hobo bag. It's supposed to look like that. Then you have a choice here. If you want it to be an actual hobo bag, you just cut it right here and take off the whole seams. We could do that and probably make a face mask out of it if we wanted to. But if you cut it outside the seams, it's going to be more of a beach bag type hobo where it'll go through your whole shoulder. So it's up to you which way you want to go. So you want to cut out your collar. And now you have your shoulders. Obviously here, the bag itself, it's supposed to be 8-inch bag. Which looks pretty good. Alright, so we're going to make it a hobo bag. So all we're going to do is cut out along the seam line. No big deal. Oh no, he just ruined the shirt. No, I didn't. We're going to get more for this shirt now. Same way over here. You ain't got to measure nothing. Just run along the line. Don't worry about it. Save the extra, no waste. Here's pretty much your bag. Got yourself a bag. Ready to go. Slide your arm through there. Or, like I said, if you didn't cut it off in the shoulder length here, it'd be more closer. There you have it. Peace, love, and tie-dye. Hobo bag. Thanks for watching. Here's a little bit more behind the scenes. What we actually do is put a stitch line on the bottom through here, because we don't know what people are actually going to put in the bag itself, so we don't want them to lose anything. It's a very strong bag. And then up here on the handle part, we actually stitch up here about a 2-inch on both sides to give it more support, so it's more sturdy, it's more durable. It's going to last, and people will like it and tell their friends. Made this out of a t-shirt, hobo bag. 20, 30 more to go. Cha-ching! Bonus footage.